You adjust the video color wheel in Capcut Mobile completely for free tutorial. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. 1. Click and select your video clip. Go down and scroll to the right. You see the option Filters. The top left hand screen, click Adjust. Scroll to the right. You see the free option Color Wheel. Color Wheel is basically an advanced color grading on Capcut desktop. You can download link. To change the color otherwise, here's what you can do. Mess around with any of these settings under the Adjust, such as the free clarity tool in Capcut Mobile. This to the right. Even mess around with the video highlights, shadows, lights, blacks of the video, etc., completely for free.